Dear guests and team, my name is Andrey Falileev, and I'm glad to be a presenter today with our Advantech live webinar sessions. So let me quickly introduce myself. I'm working as a key account manager in Advantech since December last year. And previously was working for big automation vendors in Russia as well. Well, so today we're gonna speak about our solutions for oil and gas industry and our Russian market experience. Why we're gonna speak today on oil and gas and why it's so important for our Russian market. The whole energy sector consists of such industries as gas, oil, coal, and power. For Russian GDP, this sector makes 60% of exports, 25% of GDP, and the whole IT projects are about 25% for the industry. And as we can see on the chart, our rankings, where Russia is standing with oil and gas sector, we see that if to speak on gas export, we're number one. If to speak on reserves of gas, also number one in the world. And same for oil, but with the standing of second or third, together with US and Arabia. If to have a closer look to oil and gas industry, we may divide it in three segments: upstream, midstream, downstream. Our oil producers are as well as gas producers are basically vertical integrated companies, which means that they all do have all the process for oil and gas production, from upstream to downstream, from oil rig to the gas petrol station. So the major producers are Rosneft for oil, Lukoil, Gazpromneft, Surgutneft, and for gas, Gazprom, Novatek, and Rosneft as well. If to speak on refining for gas is also a remarkable customer here, Sibur. And the midstream is basically divided in two segments, which are controlled by Transneft for oil, and Gazprom is serving gas pipes himself. Coal industry is also quite meaningful and important industry for power segment, as it makes up to 14% of power generation, with the installed capacity of 22% of all power capacity, and it makes number 5 of exports income, about $17 billion. And we have quite a big number of coal mines and coal processing plants. The largest players are here SUEK, UGMK, SDS Ugal, Evraz, Sibtransit, and Natural. Power industry is also important segment of Russian economy, and it's widely spread across the country with the more than 1,500 power plants and more than 50 joint power plants with the capacity of more than 1 gigawatt. It makes overall up to 500 gigawatt capacity for the country, and it's being served by more than 500,000 of substations, which is also important segment for Advantech products. And overall, it makes 1,080 billion kilowatt per hour of yearly power generation. So the biggest players here are Rosenergoatom, as we have more than, let's say 10 nuclear power stations. Gazprom Energo Holding, Rusgidro with their hydro power plants, and Interroute. And if you have a look on the spreading of fossil type, the old technology, thermal technology, is still very relevant and popular in Russia. Of course, as we have such a big resources of gas and coal. So, why Advantech? If you have a closer look for oil and gas, and today we're gonna speak on not on the whole power segment and energy segment, but we'll focus on oil and gas industry. I can't say that Advantech has a long history in this segment, but we do have a lot of products and certified especially for oil and gas, and we're keen on developing this segment. So for oil and gas, we do have products for all of the process. Basically, Advantech is a number one producer for, as you may know, number one producer of industrial grade PCs. So having this history and experience, we may offer for you electrical features such as over voltage protection, power isolation, noise protection, physical features as IP ratings, anti-vibration, and so on. For sure, we may talk for you with the ODM or OEM capability if you require a large series of product. We may have an agreement for OEM production for you. Such companies like Emerson, Fiat, and ExxonMobil do that. Also, we provide solution-ready, sorry, it's not correct, solution-ready packages. This is total bundle solution for your domain applications. And we're speaking about security solutions, TPM models, and boot key pre-configuration. And of course, we have various certified products for oil and gas. So we have ethics certification and C1, D2 certification as well. That makes the reliability for hazardous environments, as we do have industrial grade thermal design, selective electrical components, cable-free design, making no sparks and no cables inside, and our IOs vibration proof as well. Let's have a closer look to our key product for oil and gas. So here we're talking about C1, D2 certified products. And those are divided in several groups, like embedded automation computers, industrial panel PCs and monitors, industrial communication, data acquisition modules, serial converters and repeaters, USB converters, Ethernet gateways, and wireless nodes kits. So our brand new product here is UNO 430. This is the waterproof and easy wiring computer ready for installation almost anywhere. So whether it's outdoor in cabinet or wall mount, with the large wireless capabilities and explosion-proof certificate. So it's brand new. I guess it's already being done for you to offer, and please ask your managers for any product, for any information on the product you'd like to. And of course, the one of the biggest advantage, especially for Russian conditions, for for 3.0, is extreme wide operating temperature from minus 40 degrees. In Russia, it's very important as we do have such operating temperatures, and it's usually standard requirement from our customers to have products designed for minus 40. Or at north, you may see the requirement of minus 50 or minus 55 even. So here are the specs of UNO 430. It's a powerful. It has powerful processor. It has multiple options for storage, for connections. It has Ethernet, serial, USB, and wireless. Two wireless modules you can actually have. Okay, yeah. Ingress protection is also appealing. It's IP66. So compared here you see the comparison with the standard existing embedded automation PCs. So you will have to have specified control cabinet to install your PC, and regardless that you are not sure about its being safe, and we have. Usually, from my experience, I have some requirements when customer says that the PC should be installed in the cabinet, but still they require minus 40 and high ingress protection. So, and UNO 430 is water and dust proof, has an enclosure and cabinet pre-design. You can install it anywhere. Another new product here is our panel PC TPC 125H and 815H. So it's a powerful machine, but okay, with Intel Atom processor, but it EL Class 1 Division 2 certified, has compact design with wide temperature range as well. So you may use it from minus 20 and up to 60. Front panel usually on panel PCs is going with the ingress protection of IP65. Here is IP66, and also has a lot of IOs on board. You may use it even with the one gig. So as well, we have a quite good display here with the luminance 600 nits for the 12-inch panel. That's another solution for panel PC, TPC 1881 with the Intel 4th generation Core i5 processor, 4 gigs of RAM. Quite good. Okay, Full HD resolution here. When we see also good IOS connections, and you may have an expansion using a full-size mini PC model. Also certified with C1D2. Another product suitable very much for the industry is Adam iOS series. Here we have Adam 4100 series. It's robust and remote I/O model with the strong noise protection at the highest level, level 4, suitable for harsh environments with the temperature, operating temperature from minus 40 up to 85. The it's not only for Russia, but for Saudi Arabia as well. And it has watchdog timer built in for automatically recovery. Another ADAM module is ADAM 6000 series. That's a smart Ethernet remote I/O module, which supports multiple IT protocols like MQTT, SNMP, RESTful Modbus TCP, with the capability of easily linkage with cloud servers. And has also peer-to-peer connection for easy channel mapping from different IOs. No programming, no extra programming here is needed, and graphic condition logic GCL. Well, that's the ease for programming. Then we switch on to our intelligent network connectivity devices, also certified. That's unmanaged Ethernet switches, industrial protocol switches, and managed and media converters. Well, here we have the same design suitable for harsh environments and for heavy-duty applications. Then we have device servers and Modbus gateways, industrial cellular routers. I will speak some details later on them, and those are really relevant and required products in the market. So unmanaged Ethernet switches, here we have multiple solutions from 5-port to 16. You may choose, we won't stop here for long, as well as protocol switches. You have, if you take refinery, for instance, there you may see lots of automation vendors solutions installed. One unit may go with Siemens, another with Emerson or Yakagawa, Honeywell, Schneider, and whatsoever. So we have here the bundle solution for switching and connecting all the systems you have. That makes for connection of serial units. You may choose any protocol right here as well. And another serial converters here are introduced by our company, and this is BB Solutions. You may here find good solutions for your applications, as well as serial repeaters and USB to serial converters, USB hubs, again Ethernet to serial gateways, and Modbus gateways. Here is the one of the most popular solution for remote connections. This is industrial cellular router or gateway. This is BB 300 series SmartFlex, and it offers you multiple ways of connection, up to 3 lines, 3 reserved lines. You may easily switch and manage your channels with them. That makes for wireless IoT networks and gateways. This is also a suitable solution for harsh environment, starting from -40. You may build up your wireless IoT network to your plant. Here's one of my favorite solution now from Advantech. It's not certified with C1D2, but it's a great compact controller. price-wise and very powerful, offering you multiple choice of protocols and programming languages and IOs. You may have some, it has already built-in some IOs. You may extend it by those models you can see here in the picture, or you may add on with Adam 4 or 6000 series as well. It's well, the most popular product for remote oil wells control, for pump stations, for also for boilers and so on. So it goes with also -40 design. So you may have it just in standard cabinet installed. I will show some projects and installations later on with this solution. So now we may switch to our Russian market application stories. So once again, what is upstream, midstream, downstream? So we have exploration and production, onshore and offshore for upstream. Then you will transport and storage your product. Then you will transport it through the Transneft or Gazprom pipeline. And then you have refining and distribution. So here you can see some recent applications we had in Russia. So for upstream, this is a ongoing project with one big automation vendor, global player, and this is oil and gas oil field for Russian large vertical integrated oil and gas company. And here PPC 3151 panel PCs are chosen with the amount of 26 PCs, quite a good amount. If to speak on transport and storage, we have a pilot project ongoing for compressor OEM producer. And this is compressor diagnostics. This is actually black box, and this is done by our automation system integrator partner, and they have chosen Adam 3600 series and Adam IOs, robust IOs for this. Downstream, we have several applications for gas stations done by our partner Connell. And this is BB 300 series for surveillance and security systems for gas stations. So let's have a closer look for these projects. So the upstream project is for application for control cabinets, for associated gas processing unit, forcing oil and gas pipelines, transfer and acceptance point, energy park at oil field. So this is quite a big amount of control cabinets, and this is only a part of this oil field automated systems. So we have here PPC 3151, 26 pieces, and they provide, these cabinets provide the full control and monitoring for the process, and should have a visualization of process for each cabinet is serving, and with seamless integration with installed controllers and software at high level, running SCADA, of course. So our PPC met all these requirements and brought additional benefits with its design reliability. So what are the benefits here? For end customer, this is securing costs with a reliable embedded solution from a leading IPC vendor. Our product lifecycle policy that stands for you assure that tomorrow this panel won't be put into the end of life cycle. We support our products for several years, and with the cooperation of Intel, for instance, as it provides the one of the most important parts is processor. Of course, we provide local technical support and warranty, full warranty, not only global but locally. For EPC or our automation partner, this is ease of integration with the controllers on their side. They have chosen for the control cabinets, time reduction for commissioning, and project cost optimization. Because on the market, you won't see a lot of panel PCs producers providing you such a solution with such a price-wise for your project, and of course full worldwide product support. That makes for global EPC good option, as they may choose one model in Russia, for instance, and have applications for it anywhere in Brazil or the US or wheresoever. Midstream project for compressor OEM was designed for in order to secure contract risks by this compressors producer, as their compressors are serving a heavy-duty process, and they required independent black box for gathering and secured sending and storing all the info from the compressor sensors and controller commands. The requirements were minus 40 to plus 70 operating temperature, secured GPS connection, and additionally logging, history logging if GPS is down. That is done with the SD card. And also you would need for this solution a bunch of IE and D here. So Adam 3600 and robust Adam models were chosen by our system integrator as a suitable and cost-effective solution for this project. And Connell made the several projects, as far as I'm concerned, for gas stations. One here mentioned is for Lukoil. That's up to 50 pieces of BB 303, and the requirements were to have a secured, redundant communication gateway with a minimum 2 external communication channels. So BB was chosen because it provides 3 secured channels, and this is Ethernet and 2 options of LTE. Has internal hardware watchdog, and is able to flexible set up channel switching. We're sure that more applications are to come, and we're now have a marketing promotion program for these products, and our partners and managers are fully supportive for you to get all the info you would like to. And if to have a conclusion, what's in the end? Let's have a look at benefits for 2 types of our customers here, or for you. That's for end customer, you're getting various certified automation and IoT products for the energy market. You may accelerate your digitalization with leading industrial solution provider Advantech. This is the one of the hottest topic these days, having all these virus situation and quarantines. Everybody is keen on transforming to digital solution, to digital factory. And seamless integrations from the field devices to up to ERP level. This is the highest level of your automation systems at the factory. Then product and PCB design also, as I mentioned already, goes from world #1 vendor of industrial grade PC. So we have a really good experience with this PCB design. Advantech product lifecycle policy helps you to secure your CapEx, then maximizing operational efficiency and reducing the risk of machinery breakdown with Advantech Vice PaaS platforms. Those are the software kits, and I haven't mentioned here, but it's a nice and large story you may follow on our website, for instance. You can see a bunch of solutions, not only software, but also bundle solutions. This is SRP solutions, solution-ready packages, which may help you to have you really IoT installed in your factory. And you may get your Advantech product in Russia anywhere, whether it's our Advantech branch, fully functional, whether it's Advantech online. We have a good number of distributors supporting us for you for ages, and we're working on our solution partners program. Then let's switch to benefits for solution providers and OEMs, and system integrators, okay, and EPC companies also here is suitable. So you will reduce your cost on engineering and procurement, having one supplier for automation project key elements. And if you will take the standard automation project, industrial automation project, there you will see servers, IPCs, HMI, controllers, remote IOs, and industrial, for sure, industrial communication, sometimes wireless solutions. So having this provided by Advantech, you will surely reduce your cost. Easy engineering and deployment granted by bundle solution for the main applications. That's solution-ready packages I've mentioned. So having this solution, you won't need to search and design your solution with the separately hardware and software. It's been designed and tested as a whole system ready for the solution you would like to, already from Advantech. And if to speak on Advantech product lifecycle policy here, you will get your continuous life cycle of your own solution. So if you are building, if you are, for instance, an OEM, and you order a certain IPC from us, you are sure that you won't need to re-engineer your product control system, as we will supply this IPC for ages. Of course, you will get local and global support. Customization also is available if you require large numbers of same product. When we speak on OEM capability for you. Also, you will have a wide integration capability with third-party hardware and software, as we understand that there are a lot of producers for different levels of automation and software. So our policy is to try to have our product solutions and software solutions suitable for communication with all third parties. And now in Russia we are following product localization initiative, as it's getting more and more needed, especially by Russian state companies. So if you have these requirements, we can have a talk on that and see what's going on. Well, basically that's it. Would love to hear your questions. Thank you.